Hey food lovers, welcome back to another culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the rich and diverse culinary world of Yemen, a land of unique flavors and traditions. Get ready to learn how to make two of the most beloved Yemeni dishes, each with its own story and heritage. These dishes are near and dear to my heart and hopefully soon to be some of your favorites as well, saltah and mandi. Now I know what you're thinking, Yemeni food? That sounds intimidating, but don't worry, trust me, it's anything but. It's all about simple, fresh ingredients and straightforward steps. With a few simple ingredients and steps, you'll be transporting your taste buds straight to the bustling streets of Sana'a. We're talking tender, flavorful meat, fragrant rice, and so much more. And a symphony of spices that'll make your kitchen smell like a dream come true. So, whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. This is going to be fun. Alright folks, let's kick things off with saltah, a hearty and flavorful Yemeni stew that's often called the national dish. This beauty is all about layering flavors and textures, and it all starts with a sizzling hot stone bowl. First things first, we need to get that stone bowl screaming hot. You want it to be hot enough to sizzle when the ingredients hit it. This is key to getting that signature saltah flavor. While the bowl heats up, let's talk about our stew. We're using tender chunks of beef simmered low and slow in a rich and aromatic broth. This broth, my friends, is where the magic happens. We're talking onions, garlic, ginger, and a medley of warming spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. The smell alone is enough to make your mouth water. Now back to our sizzling hot stone bowl. We're going to add a generous helping of fenugreek, letting it sizzle and release its nutty aroma. Then we'll carefully pour in our meat stew, letting it bubble and mingle with the fenugreek. But we're not done yet. No saltah is complete without a dollop of zhug, that vibrant and fiery Yemeni hot sauce. We're talking fresh herbs, chilies, and spices blended into a flavor bomb that'll wake up your taste buds. Finally, we're going to top it all off with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a side of warm, fluffy bread. Trust me, you're going to want to have plenty of bread on hand to soak up every last drop of that delicious broth. There you have it folks, saltah in all its glory. It's a dish that's meant to be shared with loved ones, so gather your friends and family and dig in. The joy of saltah is not just in its taste but in the communal experience it brings. Enjoy every bite. Now let's move on to another Yemeni classic, mandi. This dish is a true celebration of flavors and textures, a feast for both the eyes and the palate. This dish is all about tender, flavorful meat cooked to perfection over a bed of fragrant basmati rice. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. It's the kind of meal that makes you want to lick the plate clean, and trust me, no one will judge you for it. In fact, it's almost expected. The star of the show here is, of course, the meat. It's succulent, juicy, and bursting with flavor. We're using lamb today, but you can also use chicken or beef. Each type of meat brings its own unique taste to the dish. The key is to marinate it for at least a few hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the flavors to really penetrate the meat. Our marinade is a symphony of flavors. It's a carefully balanced mix that elevates the meat to new heights. We're talking yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, ginger, and a blend of spices that'll make your kitchen smell like a spice market. It's an intoxicating aroma. Think cumin, coriander, turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, the works. Each spice adds its own layer of complexity. While the meat marinates, let's talk about the rice. This isn't just any rice, it's basmati rice, known for its long grains and aromatic qualities. We're using basmati rice, of course, because it's the king of all rice. Its fragrance and texture are unmatched. We're going to cook it in a flavorful broth infused with onions, garlic, and more of those amazing spices. This will make the rice incredibly tasty. But here's the kicker. We're going to cook the meat over the rice. This method allows the juices from the meat to drip down and flavor the rice. That's right, we're going to create a steam bath of flavor that'll infuse every grain of rice with the taste of the marinade. It's a game changer. To do this, we'll place the marinated meat on a rack above the rice and cover the pot tightly. This ensures that all the flavors are sealed in. As the rice cooks, it'll steam the meat to tender perfection. The result is meat that's juicy and rice that's packed with flavor. The result is a dish that's both impressive and incredibly delicious. It's a true showstopper. Once the meat is cooked, we're going to give it a final blast of heat under the broiler to get that beautiful caramelized crust. This adds a wonderful texture. While that's happening, we'll make a quick yogurt sauce to drizzle over the top. This adds a creamy, tangy element to the dish. And there you have it, folks. Mandi fit for a king. It's a dish that brings people together and makes any meal feel like a special occasion. Serve it up with a side of salad and prepare to be amazed. This is mandi magic at its finest. And there you have it. Two incredible Yemeni dishes that are sure to impress. Saltah with its hearty stew and fiery zhug, and mandi with its tender meat and fragrant rice, are a testament to the rich and flavorful cuisine of Yemen. I encourage you to give these recipes a try and experience the magic of Yemeni cooking for yourselves. Don't be intimidated by the ingredient lists or the steps involved. Trust me, the results are well worth the effort. And who knows, maybe this is just the beginning of your culinary journey to Yemen. There's a whole world of flavors out there waiting to be discovered. So, get out there, explore, and most importantly, have fun.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.